today I am making salmon in my air fryer, and I will be pairing my salmon with the Trader Joe's broccoli and kale slaw. It's delicious. So let's get started. So once I rinsed off the salmon, I like to dry it. I normally marinate my salmon or any meat that I cook the day before. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take it off. I dried it. I'm gonna prepare it to be seasoned. Okay, so what I'm seasoning the meats with the salmon with is some truffle oil. I love truffle oil on any meat that I have. Some Himalayan sea salt, pepper, Obe, a little bit of adobo, Mrs. Dash, a little bit of Greek seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and sazon. So the first step is to, any oil that you prefer to use, is I just drizzle a little bit on each one. Okay. And then, like I normally like to, massage it on sides, get it all over the salmon. Same thing, sides. I like to massage it all over the salmon. Okay, so next you go on with your sea salt or whatever seasoning you prefer. So I'm not gonna sit here and show you me seasoning the salmon, but I'll show you though at the end. Okay, now that the seasoning is done, the last thing I did leave out was I do use some parsley. I just like parsley for decoration. If you don't want to use oil, if you want to have a more healthier option, you could just only use the, any cooking spray, 0-calorie cooking spray. So I did all my basic seasoning. So all I do is just make sure the seasoning is in. So I just, make sure I get it on the sides of the salmon. Make sure I get it on the back. So I just, just try to season the whole salmon so it can be full of flavor. Okay, so your salmon is pretty much ready to go into the air fryer. So the last step I like to do is I just use a little bit of my cooking spray just to get the extra crispy, top. So now what you want to do is preheat your air fryer. I usually just preheat it already. It's set on, I put it on 350. So, sorry guys. So here's my air fryer. So I'm only gonna do 2 pieces at a time. So I will link in the description box below the model of the air fryer I am using. So I just like to angle it, make sure I have a little bit of space in there. So that's how it should look. And I put it on for maybe about 12 minutes. Okay, so I heard the air fryer go up, so this is how the salmon looks after about 12 minutes. I think I'm gonna cook it for a little bit longer, maybe another like 3 or 4 minutes. But it looks really juicy. You see it sizzling. really beautiful. At this time, you would, you know, mix up your salad or have everything prepped to pair with the salmon. So I'm gonna set it for another 5 minutes. So this is the salmon after additional 5 minutes. So it's actually perfect. So I'm going to pair it with my my broccoli and kale slaw. So you'll see the end result. And here we are with the final results from my air fried salmon. Look how beautiful that is. Do you see it? Let me just break into it for you. Look how juicy that is. Do you see the smoke piping out of it? It's juicy, it's tender as nut. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. Well, thank you for tuning in.